If you want to unlock your new Samsung phone quickly and securely, setting up Fingerprint Lock is one of the best options. It allows you to unlock your device with just a touch while keeping your personal information protected. Here's how to set it up. Go to the Settings app. You can either swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon in the notification panel, or find Settings in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. From there, select Lock Screen and Biometrics, then tap Fingerprints. Before you can register a fingerprint, Samsung requires you to have a backup screen lock. If you haven't already created one, the phone will ask you to set up a PIN, pattern, or password. This backup method is important because you'll need it whenever your phone restarts or if your fingerprint isn't recognized after several attempts. Once your backup lock is ready, tap Continue to begin fingerprint registration. Place the pad of your finger on the fingerprint sensor, then lift it when prompted. Continue pressing and lifting your finger while slightly changing its position each time. This helps the phone capture different parts and angles of your fingerprint, improving recognition accuracy during everyday use. Keep following the on-screen instructions until the progress reaches 100%. When the scan is complete, your fingerprint will be successfully saved. You'll then have the option to add another fingerprint. Registering a second finger, such as your opposite thumb or index finger, is highly recommended. This makes unlocking your phone more convenient if one hand is occupied or your primary finger isn't easy to use. After you're finished, tap Done. Your Samsung phone is now ready to unlock using your fingerprint. You can also use your fingerprint to verify your identity in supported apps, authorize secure payments where available, and access protected features more conveniently while keeping your device safe. That's it. Your new Samsung phone is now protected with Fingerprint Lock, giving you a faster, more secure, and more convenient way to unlock your device every day.